Welcome everyone. Delta is finally back in action. At last, Roblox's anti-cheat protection has been bypassed by Delta. Watch the video until the end to learn how you can get the latest version. You can find the download link in the comment pinned at the top. If you don't know how to bypass the shortened link, you can also watch the tutorial. To install the latest version of Delta Executor, first uninstall any older version from your device. Next, install the new version you downloaded from the link. After that, open Roblox and grant access to all files when prompted. Now, log into your account, then open your game. Delta now requires an activation key. To get the link for the key, click on Receive Key. Paste the key link into any browser you have. If you face any issues accessing the website, enable a VPN. Now click on Continue. You'll be taken to this page. As you can see, there are several tasks. Click on them one by one. Next to each task, you'll see a countdown. Just wait for it to finish. Then click Unlock Content. Click Continue again. Now, as you can see, we've received a valid key that is active for 24 hours. You can repeat the same steps every 24 hours to get a new key. Now go back to Roblox. Paste your Delta key into the empty field. Click Continue. As you can see, Delta Executor is now working without any issues. If you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to support it with a like and subscribe to the channel.